Here I have Nokia 8 and let me show you how to enable backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to open the list of all applications right here. Let's choose settings. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Here you have to choose the backup and let's enable the Google backup. Here you can also read the instructions. That's it. Now you need to add the backup account. So let me choose account. If you have added some Google accounts, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account. The phone is checking info. Now it's important to have the internet connection, and here you have to insert your email or the phone number, or you may also choose more options and create a new account. But in my case, let me use the existing one. So let me input the email. Let's tap next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it. Alright, let's choose next right here and tap I agree to the following information. The phone is checking info. And here you have to decide either you would like to automatically back up to Google Drive. Let me leave it enabled and let's tap agree. So that's it. You just add necessary backup account and enable the Google backup feature. So you can go back and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.